What's on your mind, Erin?
I don't know, Doc. Why don't you tell me? You're the doctor. I honestly don't know what's happening on my life right now. First, my friends backstab me. Second, my best friend stole away my boyfriend from me. Third, my stepdad abused me, almost raping me. Fourth, I have a mom who's never proud of me. Sa totoo nga lang, gusto ko na lang magpasagasa sa truck eh. Oh, did you know? A classmate of mine died and everyone is blaming me. So, what if ako naman yung mamatay? Sino naman kayo sisisihin, di ba?
Okay.
Sila na naman.
Hey, Caroline! Tara nga dito.
Bakit? So, Caroline, were you able to do my assignment?
Sorry, Irene. May trabaho kasi ako kagabi, tapos pagod na pagod ako.
Hold it. You mean to say, I don't have an assignment? Sagot.
Irene,
You're so annoying.
What? Wala kaming assignment? Bad trip naman? What if bugbugin ka namin?
You're so annoying talaga.
sorry. Bettina, here's si Stephen.
What? Stephen? It's Stephanie. Girls, bugbugin na kaya yung impaktang yan.
Ganyan dapat. Batagad. Puro kayo satsat eh.
Sir.
Sort mo yan. Nakakainit ka ng ulo. Nakakapit ko ng pagmumukha mo! Ha?
Go get me some dirty water, babe.
I like your idea. Okay, wait.
Go.
Akin na nga yung assignment mo. Total, di mo ginawa yung assignment namin. Akin na tong gawa mo.
No!
Gotcha!
Yes. And see, that's what you get for not following our rule.
That's enough, girls.
Oh my God!
Bye, Caroline! Thank you for the assignment!
Loser!
Boring ah, parang gusto kong manuntok. Sobrang sama talaga ng ugali mo.
If we can just make fun of Caroline lang eh.
Yan ang trip. Bad trip.
Ooh, speaking of the devil.
Yossi nga!
Come here, Caroline. Please, faster. Apakabagal mo.
Bakit? Anong meron?
Inaano ko ba kayo?
We're just bored.
Yeah.
You're not even allowed to ask.
Oh my God.
Go, grab her hair, Stephen. Go!
Wow, ganda naman. Patry din ha.
Yeah.
Lakasan nyo!
Aray! Tama na!
What if ipukpok sa kanya to?
Let's stop it, guys. Tara, magbilya na lang tayo.
I agree with Carlo. Bye, loser! Alice! Bye! Chupi! Ew! Bye!
Bye! Bye, loser!
Ay naku, basta ako wala akong pakialam kung babagsakan mo or kapasabas top fresh. Silver!
For sure, si Irene ang top scorer natin neto.
Yes!
Ay, stop it nga!
Well, this is true naman, diba?
Yes, pag may nakatago ka sa kanya, ay naku, magiging idol ko na siya.
Perfect!
Perfect.
Oh my God! Results are out, guys! Oh my God, really? What is it again? First ba? First? Even first? What? Nick, I don't see it.
Parang may tabang na pala.
Okay.
Oo, ang saan mo kayo titira? Nagyan yung magkano.
What? Oh my God, what happened? Ay, shots.
Biyan mo sila? Wala, congrats ha.
Sayang, sayang, sayang! Sayang! Wakey, wakey, Caroline!
Ano naman ako? What the hell, Irene? Ano na naman ba to? Let me go!
And why would I? This is what you get for stealing rank 1 from me.
Still, wala akong ninanakaw sa'yo. And it's not my fault na hindi mo nakuha yung rank 1. Puro kasi pagbubulakbol yung iniisip mo. I'm surprised pa nga eh. Top 2 ka, Irene.
Shut up! Sobrang yabang mo! Nagtapon ka lang? Lumabang ka na? Oh, I have an idea. Bettina, hold her!
Go on Facebook Live, Irene.
Oh my gosh, yeah!
Oh my God, you're a funny girl.
Alright, alright.
Go, Iya!
Smile, Caroline!
Dessert!
Nice! Say hi, Caroline! Oh my God!
Nakikita nata siya eh. Pati gubaran kaya natin siya. Ay, joke lang. Ito naman. For fun lang.
Whatever. You're so kawawa!
Look at you, oh.
Ew, you're so dirty!
Pagod na ako sa buhay ko. Wala naman akong ginagawa sa kanila. Ayoko na. I'm sorry. Ma! Pa! Pero at least, we'll be together na, di ba? Happy birthday. No work pay.
Caroline! Caroline! Caroline!
Have you guys heard? Caroline is dead. Haven't you heard? Sobrang late ka naman sa chismis.
OMG! Ano kayang reason? So nakakakalabot. Look girls, so I have ghost bombs.
Hala, ako din. Same.
Diba? This is all Irene's fault kasi.
Oo nga eh. You were so harsh kasi eh. Sa true lang, te. Masyado siyang over the belt.
Oh, shut up, guys. You guys are so overacting. First, it's goosebumps, not ghost bump.
Whatever.
Duh. Second, it's below the belt, not over the belt. You guys are so stupid and annoying. Anyways, I have to go na. Bye.
Bye.
Ah, below the belt pala. Kala ko over kasi sumusobra na siya.
True.
True kasi, si Irene talaga yun eh.
Kala mo sinong matalino para i-check ako. So, nakakainis talaga.
Hi,
Oh,
Mom. Hi, Tito. So, I have some good news po pala. Nakalimutan ko sabihin, but I am the second to the highest top notcher in our class po.
Second to the highest, and you're happy with that?
Hey, don't be so harsh now.
Alam mo, makakabawi naman sa Irene.
Who's on top of your class?
It's Caroline. Well, it was Caroline, but now she's dead.
Patay na pero talo ka pa rin. Let me just remind you, Irene. I want you to graduate on top of your class.
But I am on top.
Hindi top 2. Top, not just second best, the best.
But I am the best. Wait, is my best still not enough for the both of you?
Anak. Ang gusto na naman ng mama mo. If you really wanna go to study at the best school, we only wish yung best namin para sa'yo. Ateneo, Harvard, even UP. Pero, anyways, let's eat muna. Kasi alis pa kami ng mama mo mamaya.
Please excuse me, I've lost my appetite. Where are you guys? Come over. My parents are gonna be out of town. Let's party!
OMG, I'm so G with it. We can't wait to see you later.
Bye! Where's my babe? Oh. Hi, babe! I miss you so much. I'll be having a party later. Just wondering if you're down with it.
Sup, babe? Sure. I'm coming over. Kunin ko lang yung car sa kasada and diretso na ako dyan.
Okay, babe, I love you! What the? Whatever. Tito, please! Tito!
Sabi mo gusto mo sa nanay mo. Ay, ko kayong dalawa. Subukan mo masumok sa mama mo. Papatayin ko kayong dalawa.
Hi, sis! Oh, thank you for coming, guys! Oh my gosh, you made it! So, what are we waiting for? Let's get party!
Ang uto-uto talaga ni Irene, no? Buti na lang mapera siya, kaya we can enjoy all these things.
Oo nga eh, pinapakisamahan ko na lang din kasi mapera. If I know, tayo na lang naman nagtitiis sa ugali nun. Aside from that, ako naman talaga yung gusto ni Carlo. Diba, babe?
Naman. Pero at least, we are benefiting from Irene. Kaya tis-tis lang.
And isa pa, I'm really blaming her for the death of Caroline eh. Feeling ko siya talaga yung may gawa nito.
OMG, sa totoo lang hindi ko naman mabubugbog si Caroline kung hindi ako inutusan ni Irene. 'Di ba?
At ito pa, last time nag-open up siya sa akin, ina-abuse daw siya ni Tito, yung stepdad niya. Inihipuan daw siya. So kadiri.
Sus, baka inakit niya nga lang yung tito niya. Di ba stepdad niya yun?
Kung makatawag siyang Tito Daddy, baka kama Daddy.
Good morning, Irene. May breakfast na dito. Kanina ka pa?
I said leave!
Wait, Irene!
Alas! All of you! Leave!
Nurse Olivia,
Yes po, Doc.
may appointment ba ba ako today?
Yes po, Doc. We'll have Miss Irene Chu po for this day. Bale, nandito na din po sa chart yung proposed NCT. Doc, this is her third visit na po.
Third? Oh, the progress. Can you please walk me through?
Yes po, Doc.
Okay, thank you.
So, for the nursing care plan, assessment, persistent feelings of sadness, emptiness, or hopelessness. For the diagnosis, risk for self-directed violence with general anxiety associated with suicidal tendencies related to unresolved trauma, evidenced by feelings of guilt and isolation from bullying experiences. So, bali po sa planning, after 1 month, the patient starts talking about the happy days she had. Intervention, increasing safety and reducing self-directed violence. The patient will need constant supervision and a safe environment. Determine whether the patient has admitted to previous suicide attempts, uses any narcotics, has no peers or friends, or has any suicidal plans. So, bali po sa evaluations, we have to improve mood and reduce anxiety levels, verbalize feelings and identify coping strategies, no self-harm or suicidal behavior, compliance with medication regimen, participation in individual and group therapy sessions.
Oh. Good job. I'll take it from here, okay? Thank you, Nurse Olivia.
You're welcome, Doc.
Good day, Doc.
Good day, Irene. How have you been?
I'm feeling good, Doc.
I appreciate our session. Thank you for trusting me, Irene. Well, I have Nurse Olivia para mag-explain kung anong procedure mo. Para maging okay ka na. I have prescribed 3 different medications. And kapag may tanong ka, don't be shy. Just let me know, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Good day, Miss Irene. I am Nurse Olivia. I-explain ko lang po yung 3 meds na prescribe ni Doc. If may questions pa po kayo, don't be shy to ask po, okay? Number 1 medicine po is yung pregabalin for pain and as needed. Second po is yung Rivotril for downers or pampakalma. Lastly po is yung escitalopram for antidepressant.
Okay, cool. Thank you, Nurse Olivia.
You're welcome, Miss Irene.
Thank you, Doc. Mom?
Yes, anak.
I'm so sorry, Mom, for ruining my life.
I'm so sorry to for pressuring you, for judging you, and for letting your stepdad to live under our roof. Don't worry, anak. Andito lang ako lagi.
Madaming nagbago simula nung pinili kong ayusin ang buhay ko. Marami akong natutunan. Marami ring nawalang tao sa buhay ko. Ang pinakamahirap na parte dito ay naging kalaban ko ang sarili ko. Dati, hindi ako naniniwala sa Diyos. Pero sa mga pinagdaanan ko, natuto ulit akong magdasal. Araw-araw akong nagpapasalamat sa bagong umaga. Kasi pakiramdam ko bawat pagising ko ay isang himala. Bawat gising ko, may paggaan akong nararamdaman. I have learned how to have discipline. Up until now, Uma-attend pa din ako sa counseling sessions ko. Yes, hello?
Good morning, Miss Irene. This is Nurse Olivia from NCMH. Confirm ko lang po ang 4th session niyo with Doc Wilson today at 10 a.m., ma'am.
Yes po, Nurse Olivia. I'll attend my session later. Thank you. I chose to save myself from my own despair. I am my own braveheart. I am Irene Chu.